Hey, I'm Heath from PredictHQ's customer experience team, and in the next 2 minutes, I'll show you how to use our Features API endpoint. The Features API was developed to offer a library of features for use in your machine learning models. The Features API can return the total count of sports events happening in a radius, as well as how public holidays or observances are impacting your locations. It also aggregates and makes available core statistics from our underlying event datasets, which enable you to use these features directly in your models without having to do any preparatory work to integrate. If you're looking for detailed, granular information about specific events, we recommend using the Events API rather than the Features API. When using the Features API endpoint, you need to specify a location either as a latitude, longitude, and radius, or as a place ID. You also need to specify a date range, which you can do so with the active.gte and active.lte fields. Lastly, you need to choose one or more features that you would like to be returned. For example, you can use PHQ attendance sports to see the results for sports at a selected location. Let's take a look at an example. Here I am in our control center and specifically our API Explorer. And you can see in the top left, I've got our Features API selected. And I'm going to look for high demand days for the month of February in 2020. You can see that with the start date as greater than February 1st, 2020, and the end time as less than or equal to 2020 February 29th. We're going to look at the city of Chicago, which is identified by this place ID. And if we go down a little further, we can see that we're selecting PHQ attendance features for community, concerts, conferences, and a little bit lower, sports. And for each of these features, we're going to look at the sum, count, and average stats. Up here in the top right, we can click Run Now. And below, we can see what the result looks like. That's it for now. If you have any questions, please check out our documentation and our support pages. And if you can't find your answers there, please reach out to us directly. That's all for now. We'll see you in the next one.